back.
I didn't know if there was someone in there or not.
I seen him whenever we pulled up. I was like, how's it hanging?
Oh, you hit me, officer.
No,
They're
I
just trying to.
didn't.
Where the fuck
Yes,
is
you
that
did.
building? Let me respond
No, I
to that.
didn't.
It won't let
I
me.
need you to give me medical attention, sir.
There is.
That's EMS's role.
Can you help me till they get there? Get here?
EMS to PD. PD to EMS.
I think I'm better now.
You're
Thank
right.
you.
What's up, bud?
Never mind. Some guy just stole my police vehicle.
Oh,
They just stole it.
Yeah.